Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys through how I use the Smart Algo swing indicator to find entry points for long-term plays or long-term buys in crypto, in stocks, or you can use this in whatever kind of instrument that you want in futures, in options, in Forex. So right now on my chart, I have the Smart Algo swing indicator. You can see that I only have buy signals. So I actually changed it in the settings. If you click on style and you can turn off the sell signals. The reason I did this is because since we're using the strategy as a long-term investment or long-term holding strategy, we're not looking to sell anything. We're just looking for the best price to enter buys. So right now I have the BTC USDT, the Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour using the Binance data feed. And you can see throughout this chart that the indicator is sending out multiple buy signals, and it's usually sent at the bottom. For example, you can see here, we had 2 strong buy signals, and after which price shot up rapidly all the way from $26,000 to $76,000. What this strategy looks like, guys, is it looks at price accumulations, and after an accumulation, it looks for a dip and it aims to enter at the very bottom. So you can see here, we enter at this trough, what we call a trough. So what is a trough? A trough is something like a V-shaped formation, and the swing indicator basically tries to enter as close to this point here as possible. So you can see here, we entered at a V-shaped trough, here a V-shaped trough, here as well a V-shaped trough, here, here, and here. So now you get the gist of the strategy. It aims to print the buy or sell signals at the very bottom or at the very top, and you can use these signals to enter your long-term plays. Now, if you were looking to make investments, you might not use the 1 hour time frame, you might use a higher time frame. So if we switch to, let's say, the 4 hourly time frame, you can see in recent times how accurate the swing indicator has been in predicting the Bitcoin bull run. We had an accumulation of orders here and another accumulation of orders here before price ultimately shot up to over $70,000. And you can see here again, we also have a V-shaped recovery, and the buy signal here is printed right at the very bottom of the trough. By the way, guys, these signals do not repaint, so they are real-time buy and sell signals. So if I zoom in, you can see we had a strong buy signal on the 19th of January. And if you entered here, you would have made over 69 or 70% on your return. Now, this also works for other pairs and instruments. For example, let's say ETH. The indicator caught the move all the way from down here around September when ETH was around $1,574 all the way to $4,000. Now, once again here, we also have this V-shaped trough, and the swing indicator caught the bottom of the move right here. I mean it when I say this, guys. This indicator is crazy, especially if you use this for long-term plays and long-term holdings. Let's go on the Apple chart. This is just a chart that I like to look at, but I haven't actually used this indicator on the Apple chart. And if we look at the chart, and we can see here on the left, we have a V-shaped trough. And once again, we had a strong buy signal here, which was very close to the bottom of the actual move. We had a strong buy signal printed here, which was actually the bottom of the V-shaped recovery we saw here, as well as these 3 buy signals, which all printed profits, as well as this signal here, which also was printed at the very bottom of this V-shaped move here. So you guys can see how accurate this is in predicting these market bottoms. A lot of people, myself included, when we look at investments and we try to find a suitable price to enter in, a lot of us are unsure of when we should enter. But with the Smart Algo swing indicator, it just makes things a lot more clear. You guys can choose to either enter on strong signals only, so strong buys, and ignore the weak buys, which we had a weak buy here. Or you can also turn on the sell signals to identify potential tops. So you can see the indicator identified this top here and this top here, as well as the smaller tops here and here. Now, if we move on to the higher time frame, such as the 8 hour for Bitcoin, you can see just how accurate this is. And now, of course, the higher time frame that you go, the less signals that will print. But just look at this, guys. We had 3 strong buy signals printed here, which were very accurate, and you would have made money if you just held from this point here. as well as a strong buy signal here right before this explosive move up by Bitcoin. Now guys, I am not kidding when I say this strategy is extremely overpowered. All you need to do is wait for a buy signal and just buy and hold and wait for your profits to roll in. So if you guys don't yet have access to the Smart Algo Swing Indicator, click on the first link in the description below to get access. And if you guys want more trading related videos, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys next time. Happy trading.